In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix OneNote can't open this notebook because it has been deleted or moved error on OneNote. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're experiencing this error on OneNote, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you want to ensure that you have the notebook file on your file before you open. However, if you are not able to open, try and see if you are not able to open while offline. Try it while your data is on. You are told most likely the reason for this error is because the location may not exist or you may not have permission to access it. Check all your app permissions to ensure that they are okay. However, if none of that works, then it's time to troubleshoot your OneNote app. To do this, go to your phone and look for settings option, and from settings go to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for OneNote and then tap on it to access OneNote app info page. Now from here, go to force stop app and tap on OK. Tap on it and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and finally OK. And finally clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone and then go to Google Play Store. Check if you have any update for Microsoft OneNote app. Update the app to the latest version. And now once you're done, now open your app and everything should be okay. So at this point now you shouldn't have any issue with your OneNote app. However, if you're still facing a challenge at this point, then check that you're not using any VPN or any recently installed security app on your smartphone. If you have one, turn it off or uninstall it to fix this issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.